How do you create the worst team building event? We've got 10 ways in which you can do it, so check it out. Hi, welcome to the Let's Talk Talent channel, where we discuss the world of HR and talent management. We're here to help you unlock the potential in your people. What is team building? And what is a team building event? Well, sometimes team building is much more about how you get people together to get to know each other. And sometimes it's got a much more corporate feel. But we've all been to days where we've just thought to myself, oh please, not another presentation. So here are 10 ways in which you can create the worst team building activity. Ignore them, strike them, drop them in the bin. Have you ever done a trust fall? I freaking hate them. I actually get the feel of being dropped, so don't do them. Number 2, boardroom presentations, death by PowerPoint. You sit in a room and you look at the PowerPoint and you go, we're on slide 2, we've got 50 to go. Look, I love alcohol, I love food, but I don't want it in a team building exercise. I don't want to be making chocolates, I don't want to be cooking a meal with my team, I don't want to be making cocktails. You're going to get a lot of very pissed people. So it's a disaster. Do not do food or alcohol. Bowling. Now some people love it, I kind of loathe it, I'm rubbish at it. But again, it creates a hierarchy and it creates competitiveness. So think about how you build team without going bowling. Overnight stays. Some people have childcare issues. Some people do not want to spend all day with their team and then stay overnight. So think about the balance of the day. Do you need everyone to stay overnight? Actually, can people go home and come back refreshed the next day? Now, my pet peeve is organised fun, where you're trying to be really fun and trying to be social, but ultimately it's a bit of a damp squib. So think about the fun in the nature of the day rather than think about it being organised fun. When I organise a team day, I like fun to feature throughout, but I don't want to be organised in it. Paintball and assault courses. I don't need to say any more. Put your hand up if you love role play. Right, deathly silence. Don't do it. Now, we all want to get to know our people. I especially like to know my team. I like to know what makes them tick. But do I really need to play 2 truths and a lie? And the final is icebreakers. Who doesn't love a game of people bingo? Let's really think about how we create that culture, how we create the purpose of that away day. And they're your top 10 worst things that I've seen in away days. Don't do them. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful HR and talent management video content. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.